Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm new here. I can't find room 204.
Room 204 is in Building B.
Oh no. Where is Building B?
It's behind the library.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Are you a first-year student?
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome to the university.
Thanks. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone feels nervous on the first day.
Really?
Yes, even me last year.
That makes me feel better. Hey, I found the classroom.
Great. How was your class?
It was good, but a little difficult.
Which subject?
English communication.
Nice. I study English too.
Really? Maybe you can help me.
Maybe I can.
By the way, what's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Adam.
Nice to meet you too, Adam.
Do you have another class now?
No, I'm free now.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
Let's go to the cafeteria.
Great idea.
Wow, there are many students here.
Yes, it's always busy at lunchtime.
What food is good here?
The sandwiches are nice.
I'll try one.
Good choice.
So, what do you study?
Business management.
Interesting. I study computer science.
That sounds difficult.
Why did you choose business management?
Because I want to start my own company.
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you. Why did you choose computer science?
I want to create apps in the future.
Really? That's smart.
Maybe language learning apps.
Many people need that.
What kind of company do you want?
Something modern and successful.
I like your confidence.
Thanks, Adam.
Is this seat free?
Yes, sit down.
Thanks. What are you studying?
Marketing notes.
Sounds boring.
It is sometimes.
I need help with English homework.
Show me.
I need to write about myself.
Easy. Start with your hobbies.
I like gaming and coding.
Perfect. Write that.
You're a good teacher.
Maybe I am.
Today was much better than I expected.
I'm glad to hear that.
This morning I was lost and nervous.
And now?
Now I feel happy.
Good. University can be fun.
Especially when kind people help me.
That's sweet.
Thanks for everything today.
You're welcome.
See you tomorrow?
Of course.
Great. See you tomorrow, Sarah.
Bye, Adam.